do? You're under arrest. Get out of the...
Going through the construction, lost control.
Talking.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Body Cam and Beers and Body Cam. Today we're going to be watching one Bork Red take down a wanted criminal, and we get to see some choppers getting to do their good work, and a criminal being put back behind bars where he rightfully belongs.
Hands out the window! Hands out the window!
Hands up.
Keep your hands up! Keep them up! Keep them up!
Step out.
Step out of the car! Step out of the car!
Step out of the car now.
Step out of the car!
Can you please explain?
Step out of the car!
Step out that window if you don't get out of the car.
Sir, what did I do?
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up or you will get shot! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up to where I can see them. Hands on the wheel! Hands on the wheel! Get out! Get out of the car!
He's going.
Get out of the car!
Stop the car.
Get out of the car! Watch out, Barry! Watch out, Barry!
Look at it.
Air one, you got him, he's fleeing.
Alright, I got you guys coming up behind the white van, correct?
So what we just saw there was Ralphus Brown. Hold up, let me check my notes, make sure I didn't botch that. Yes, Ralphus Brown, age 39, a Lake County fugitive. Again, names aren't my thing, so Lake County fugitive, Ralphus Brown, age 39, with a warrant for aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. So that's already a sketchy person to have to deal with. You saw as he was reaching towards the center console, reaching towards the steering wheel, and he smacked a police car, and that police car moved forward to try and pin him in and keep him from going anywhere because this is already dangerous. But he got away, so now the chase is on. We see the helicopter here, and the helicopter's going to keep an eye on him. And either the guy doesn't know it's there, or he just doesn't care. Because I don't think that little car is going to escape a chopper.
Hey, Brett, he was reaching towards that center console.
So what we just saw happen is one of the deputies got his spiky spike sticks out, which are to pop your tires. And it looks like he nicked one of the back tires, if not the front and back tire, but he tried to swerve to avoid it. And he already flipped the car, so this guy's doing everything to hurt his chances of not getting charged by driving recklessly and...
Air 2, Air 1, we have the vehicle. If you guys want to break off.
Copy, we're breaking off. Rear driver is low.
Come on, hurry up.
Doesn't look like it's going down. We're coming over the truck route split here in 30 seconds.
Alright, the silver one, get ready! Hey, we got six. Ready, one. Get ready. Get ready, buddy. This is you. Watch out, watch out. Alright, get the stick.
Okay, I don't want any units going the wrong way. I don't want 100 units behind this. Just keep K9 and 2 units. Everybody else hang back. Which road? Alright. Just passing Robin Hood.
Alright, he's passing the culverts. We're coming up to 92 now. Moderate traffic, heavy traffic. Cutting over to the eastbound lanes, turn lanes, going into opposing traffic, and continuing southbound Woodland through 92. Going southbound and northbound lanes.
Alright guys, let's back off, give it some space, let Air 1 call it. I don't want to keep pushing him any harder.
Still southbound, northbound lanes coming up to Plymouth now.
So as we all just heard, Air 2 told everyone to push back so that the suspect doesn't keep having to push so hard to stay away from the cops. He's failing, but so that he doesn't keep pushing so hard. And they're trying to get him to slow down till the next open stretch of road so they can stop him there and keep all of the civilians and innocent bystanders safe so that the guy doesn't, have a head-on collision with, say, a family of 4 in a minivan on their way to a soccer game. I don't know. But that's why they're pushing back. He doesn't show any care for anyone other than himself. He's driving in the oncoming lane. So they're just trying to get him to slow down and not push as hard because that is safer for everyone in the long run.
Over the top of the roundabout, still southbound, going into oncoming traffic. We're about a quarter mile out from Kepler now, still eastbound. He's going through the construction, lost control, signal 4 right by the 7-Eleven, signal 4. Stand by.
You're gonna get bit! You're gonna get bit!
He's out, he's walking away from units. He's running towards the 7-Eleven around eastbound M44.
Parking! Parking red! Parking! Parking red! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands on your back!
Central dog got him, dog bite.
We have the dog bite. The thing we all love to see. Look at that good boy biting him. So the chase finally comes to an end because the guy is trying to run through construction and he swerves off into the dirt. Fun fact, when you are at speed and you go into the dirt, you're going to swerve. It's going to happen. You can control it. He didn't control it good enough. He smacked into a bystander, what the officers were worried about. From what I've read, the bystanders are okay. They both are complaining of neck and back pain. So he gets that added on to whatever else he has to deal with. And now he's getting bit in the gut by a dog because Red's nice and happy to give him that bite he so desired by running. We'll just finish this out real quick.
Taking 10-12 right now.
Good boy, Red. Parking red. Watch yourself. Good boy, Red. Good boy, buddy. Good boy.
So, in conclusion, they got the guy. You're not going to outrun a police helicopter. You're not going to outrun the cops. They all talk. If they don't find you that day, they're going to find you later. In Brown's vehicle, deputies found a loaded firearm, and a backpack containing various drugs. So, not too surprising. I'm surprised he wasn't trying to dump them as he was going, but it wouldn't have worked anyway. They never lost sight of him. And in addition to his no bond warrant, Brown was arrested on charges included aggravated fleeing, battery on Leo, 2 counts of aggravated assault with deadly weapons on Leo, battery on law enforcement, canine, resisting arrest with violence, resisting without violence, 2 counts of hit and run with injuries, on trafficking of oxycodone, possession of MDMA, Xanax with other prescription drugs, and marijuana with intent to sell, possession of suboxones, and habitual driving with a suspended license. I love they just slapped that last one on like, yeah, you don't have a license either, so we're going to slap you with that. Anyway, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you think I missed something or you have questions on anything, as always, leave a comment. I'd love to hear it, and I'd be more than willing to answer any questions you got. If you want to see the original footage, you can find it at Donuts Raw Police Footage. This is K9 takes suspect down after crash. Thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some beer and crack cocaine. I don't care if I never get laid. Let me fight with the cops. If I don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're cuffed at the old ball game.